Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and let me show you how to activate and use test mode on the following device. So if you would like to activate test mode, you have to enter a secret code. So at first just open the phone dialer, go to keypad, and now enter the code, which is *pound 64663 #*. And as you can see right here, you've got the test mode. So here you've got all the features which you can test. For example, you can check the software version, you can perform SIM test, SD card test, key test, motor test, LED panel test, touch panel test, color test, receiver, speaker, and so on. And let me show you some of them. For example, color. Just click on color and now click screen to continue. And as you can see, red is working properly, marine as well, blue is also more than fine, and it's okay, so you can mark OK. Now if you'll go back, just let me go back to the previous screen. Okay, so I will just make a receiver test. Okay, so it should be 2.5, not 2.4, but as you can see here, you've got the answer. So color passed, receiver passed. Let me check speaker.
181.
So it's definitely 1.8, and tap on OK. Let's play some music. So it's also working good. Click on OK and let's go back. And here you've got the results. So just pick the feature that you would like to test and then be provided with details. So finally, the last option will be key test. So all you have to do is to tap on volume up button, volume down button, and also power key. As you can see, they passed the test. Tap on OK. Now we can go back, and here is another green pass info. So this is it. So you can test your device, enjoy, and check if you have any issues with your features. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.